I'm Rui Cabral. I'm the Vice President of Industrial Strategy for Abipa International. Abipa International is a prime supplier of global OEMs in the engines, aerostructure, and landing gear segments. We currently have clients like Pratt & Whitney on the engines for the A320, Bombardier on aerostructures for business aircraft, and we work also with Safran on landing gear components. Abipa experienced an aggressive growth, and we were at the time using an in-house solution for our MRP. It was very segmented, so the databases were duplicated all over the place, for purchasing, for production, for planning, and so on. So it was very, very difficult to keep up with demand. And we started looking at ERP solutions, and we ran into Epicor. We liked what we saw. And basically, that's how the relationship started with Epicor. ECS was very focused on the team. When we first evaluated to implement this solution, we sat down with the specialists. They explained the process, and they were with us every step of the way. Internally, we made up a working team, but mostly the lead came from the experts at ECS. The company does during a whole year of reviewing our processes. The results at the end of the day were excellent. We were able to go live, and we completely deleted the old system. And from the go live day, we completely worked with the new solution. In the market, there's so many similar solutions. I think the most important is the relationship and the expertise of the ECS team, because without them, no matter what the solution would have been, I think we would have failed. I'm very satisfied with the ECS team. I would recommend them without hesitation.